Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore another powerful component, the multi-tab component. In the editor view, open the Components panel and search for multi-tab to get started. If you have a lot of content but want to keep your page clean and easy to navigate, the multi-tab UI is the perfect solution. It allows you to organize content into separate tabs without overwhelming your layout. In the multi-tab UI properties panel, managing tabs is simple and intuitive. You can add new tabs, remove existing ones, or rename them instantly. You can also choose which tab should be active by default when the page loads. And to enhance usability, you can customize the active tab colors so users always know where they are. Just drop your content into each tab section, and your layout becomes clean, structured, and easy to explore.